So guys, how you all are? I guess you all are perfect. So guys, I am Manas and I am a part of Nature Bodies Eco Club and a member of UNFO. That's a very great thing. So guys, we are Nature Bodies. We are 9 to 10 youth members which conserve the environment. Guys, in our team, our whole members are associated with certain names which are related to the environment. For example, they call me a nature boy. Why a nature boy? Why I am a nature boy? So I guess that this name suits me because let me tell you the answer. Guys, I am a part of it, as we all are. But I am very much passionate and attracted towards it. I love the nature, I love to conserve it, I love to save it, and I love everything about it. But, everything is not so easy, you know it. Let me tell you about my childhood and now. I'm going to compare these two situations. Guys, when I was a child, me and my dad used to go to a morning walk daily. My dad then showed me varieties of birds flying in the air, varieties of trees in the environment, and many of ponds which were full of water. But now I have grown up, and now I can see that it's not safe. Our environment, our nature is not safe because we can see pollution everywhere. The sky is fully empty. We can rarely see any bird flying, or we can see that there are not so much of trees in the ponds. Ponds are totally empty. So, guys, with my team decided that we are youth and we should do something about it. So we decided to create a big change and an effective change to conserve the environment. Guys, we work in three principles: dream it, believe it, and achieve it. Guys, so I come to the first principle: dream it. It's simple, guys. I have a short dream and a small dream. That environment, that nature which I have seen in my childhood could come back. I dream that today also I can see lots and lots of trees full, ponds full of water and sky full of birds. But let's come to the second principle. Believe it. Guys, I dream that's a good thing. But can I believe that I can do it all of my own? No. So that's why I have a team which is Nature Bodies and we are youth and we can do a little effort to create a big change. So guys, I come to the third and last and final principle, that's achieve it. Achieve it. Guys, you all know knowing is not enough, we must do, and wishing is not enough, we must apply. So guys, we will achieve our dream, our own aim and our goal.
Student of 11th standard math section. When I was a child, I was very eager for the winter season to come because during that time many sweet dishes are prepared in my house. As well, I was very excited to wear the colorful woolen sweaters which are worn by my mom. But when I grew older, I realized that something is changing, but I couldn't realize the change. But when I joined this huge and great team that is the Nature Bodies, I got my answers, and now I am proudly saying that we, the Nature Bodies, are a proud member of UN. From my childhood, I have an interest in plants, trees, so I choose forestry as my career, and which is in the environmental field. But I have also took the place to solve the problem of the change. So, firstly, I discovered what is the change is. Then I got my answer that the change is climate change, which the whole world is suffering from. The ice glaciers are melting. During winter, there is not so cold. During the rainy seasons, it is not much rain, but off-seasonal rains due to which floods are happening. So this is the effects of climate change. Now, if I have identified the problem, now I should what's the cause of the problem is. Then I realized the cause of the problem is the excess of carbon particles in the atmosphere. So through my project, I tried to aware the students to how to reduce their carbon footprint or carbon emission in the environment. There are many ways. For example, there are many sources of carbon emission are there. For example, if we take the electric appliances, we should use 5-star rating electrical appliances. We should use LED bulbs. We should use less power generated computers and all. And one of the main thing in this electrical bill is the use of solar energy. Yes, the use of solar energy. With the use of solar energy, we can reduce the climate change to its least. So I want to say we want energy from the sun, not from the coal. And there are also many sources, just like vehicles, because nowadays most of the children are want very much comfort in their life. They don't want to do hard work because have become very lazy. So I aware the students not to be lazy, because if you will be lazy for the environment, then environment will harm you. So I aware the students to do carpooling, to do cycling, to do walking, etc. for reducing their carbon footprint in the environment. So in this way I have realized the cause. So my project is all about awareing the students about how to reduce their carbon footprint. Now if I am talking about the global issue for this, I know all the world is suffering from this huge and disastrous problem of climate change. So my project is at the global level, and I want to do something for my environment, because I feel very much comfort in my mind when I do something on, if only a little thing, just like planting a small tree. I feel a comfort in my mind. So I want to aware each and everyone to reduce the climate change and to save our mother nature, because mother nature has given us many things, not for our greed. That's why we should save mother nature. And at the last I want to say, don't wait till things happen for you. Go and do the things happen. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Devo and I am today here to express something about myself. First of all, I am going to say that I am very passionate and enthusiastic towards the environment, and I am very happy to say that we are the part of UN. I am not alone. I am in a big team, that is Nature Bodies. I am in a team because I can't do everything alone. My team helps me with every work related to environmental issues. So I am in a team because when one is dreaming, it's only a dream. But when we dream together, it's not only a dream, it's the beginning of the new reality. And I am going here to express a new reality. So let's start with the problem. Because I have a big dream, and that is to solve the water issue. First, water. First of all, look around me. Fresh water, clean and clear water. But this fresh and clean water is not available in all the places. Especially in my city, this water is not available, and the water is fully contaminated, because especially in government school, the water which comes is fully contaminated. I am saying this because I have seen the results. My mother is a teacher of government school, and I went with her to see what is the problem related to water there, and why the students are suffering from waterborne diseases. I saw that the children which comes from a toilet directly washes their hands into a tap and makes the tap contaminated. So when they drink that water from the tap, they get harmed from the bacteria, and they suffer from waterborne diseases. So to solve this problem, I have a good idea and an innovative method, and that is water purification device. We call it UV drum. It purifies water through UV rays. This UV rays is not the UV rays which comes from the sun. It's a UV rays that is UVC rays. It has a cross wavelength of 256 nanometer, which easily penetrates through the bacteria and makes the water available to drink. So we have implemented this device to all the schools, all the government schools in Bilaspur, and we saw a major effect, and that is good effect. We have saw that the waterborne diseases are vanished away. So it's a good idea now. But water problem is not only for contamination. It is the main problem going on in India today is the declination of groundwater level. Yes, it's a major issue. We have saw groundwater declination up to 10 years. And we have went to Savard, and we saw there that the groundwater level has been decreased drastically, so that the hand pumps are fully dry. The people living there are not finding any water to drink. So we have done a major step, because and first of all, we are finding many problems to solve the declination of groundwater level, to solve the problem of this. But when there is a will, there is a way, and we have solved the problem by our innovative soak pit. Yes, I have told you about the soak pit, and we have made 350 plus soak pits all around Chhattisgarh, and that's a good effort. And after this, we have saw a major inclination of the groundwater level, and we are very happy to say that we have made a good device and a good method to solve the water problem. So come everybody, join the water conservation campaign Jal Satyagraha and make this world a better place to live. And at last I have two words for you who are seeing this video. Jal Ho, Jai Ho.
Hey friends, it's Poonam here. I am a member of Nature Bodies Eco Club, and I am going to tell you something about myself. I am a student from biology school, and the reason why I selected this field is because I am very much fascinated towards environment and biodiversity. And from the beginning I also have a dream that if I could do any good work in favor of nature to conserve it as well as to protect it. Apart from this, as I told that I am fascinated towards biodiversity also, so I want to work on that field because biodiversity is the greatest gift of God that has been provided to us by Him. So it's our duty to protect it because if we have no right to create anything, it means if we are not able to create anything in this world, so how can we destroy anything? So this is the main reason, and for that I was searching for an opportunity to bring its condition to some more extent. Then finally I am glad to say that now I got that opportunity which has provided me the power to fly without wings. And after getting that opportunity, I am very glad to say that now I am ready to fulfill my dream and ready to get my satisfaction that I am willing to get. So apart from this is all about biodiversity and what is my opinion about environment and everything. Now I would like to tell you that what recently I am doing with my team. So recently we are involved in our recent campaign, that is Students Kitchen, that is an organic farming. This farming we are self-doing with the help of organic compost, and the main purpose of this farming is that to aware the people by spreading awareness regarding the importance of organic products and the organic things. And this can only be done when we promote organic farming. So I think that it's the youth, that is we, who can make this change and who can make the people aware of this thing. So I think still time is there that we can save our future by acting our best in our present, because there is very critical situation of people here, because they are not knowing about the importance of organic food, and they are just eating junk food and whatever things which are available in market, means the chemical fertilizers which the people use to grow the food, and the consumer are using that only. So if we want a good health, a good citizens of India, a developed country, then for that we need a healthy lifestyle, and for that healthy lifestyle, food should be tasty, and along with tasty it should be healthy also. So on this purpose basically we have focused, and by doing so I think we are going to improve the condition of our society to a much extent. And so this is the work which we are doing recently, and I want to say that if you people want to do any good thing, then put a step towards environment. Just join us and just first organic Students Kitchen. Thank you.
I am Abhilasha, and I am the part of Nature Bodies and also the member of UN. As I know, I am the member of UN, so I would like to express my idea through this. Firstly, I would like to tell about myself. My father is a very good sportsman, and I would like to become like him. But recently, from 2 years, I am the part of Nature Bodies, so I would like to express my idea towards environment through this team. So friends, please come out from your homes and play outside, but because it is very important today. So friends, come and join with me and love your nature and protect your environment as far as possible.
This is Pooja, and I'm a part of Nature Bodies and also the member of UN. I got the membership of UN, so I wanted to do better work for the conservation of environment. We youth have that much power to inspire people to work for the conservation of environment. I got team who supports me very well, and I can do many work with them. Firstly, I would like to tell you that I belong to an agriculture family, and I have seen that many problems related to agriculture and the products are going very easily there. So, nowadays people are not taking interest to work on the field. Before, the people are very interested to work on the field, to work on the road, to love their nature. But today people are not loving their nature, but they are destroying them. So I would like to tell that, guys, please come and join us, and please do better work for the environment. Now I would like to tell you that what is my passion. My passion is dancing, to make my career in dancing. So I wanted to relate the career and the environment conservation together. And through that, I want to spread my messages, my ideas to everyone. This is the best way, I think so. Let me tell you one step, how to spread the messages through dance. So guys, पेड़ उगाओ, चलो हवाएं साफ करो, अपनी ज़मीन से इतना तो इंसाफ करो. I think, guys, this is the best way to entertain them, because some are not taking interest also, and some are uneducated. So if we entertain them and tell them how to conserve the environment, they will take interest also. So guys, lastly, I want to tell you that please guys, come in front, join us to conserve the mother nature, because I know we can do. If we'll be united, then we can do many work. So when there's a will, there's a way.
Our climate, our future, our voice.
Come on, join with us
In this work
for the environmental conservation
and sustainable development.